Hello friends, in our today's class we will learn the advanced question of logarithm. How to solve the advanced level of logarithm. These are the question, These type of question means 3 to the power x plus 1 minus 8 bracket 3 to the power x minus 1 bracket minus 5 is equal to 0. We have to find the unknown variable. In this unknown variable is only x. So we have to find the value of the unknown variable, which is x. So what is the value of x? We have to go through many steps. So firstly we will go ahead. So let's go ahead. So the first step, how we will solve the first step, because we will factorize it. This is called expand. So we will factorize it. So 3 to the power x will be written separately in a bracket, then 3 is to power 1 is 3, then minus 8, 3 to the power x will be written separately, then 3 to the power minus 1, 3 to the power minus 1. If any number has a power in negative, so it will automatically come in the denominator. So 3 to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 over 3. Then minus 5 equal to 0 will be written easily as usual. So we will assume that y equal to 3 to the power x. Whenever there 3 to the power x is written, like here 3 to the power x, 3 to the power x is written, so we will assume that y is equal to 3 to the power x. So in our next step, after assuming it, we will implement on the assumation. So 3, that if y is equal to 3 power x, so 3 y is being multiplied by 3, so 3y. So 3y minus, 3y minus 8y, because 8 ones are 8y. So 3y minus 8y over 3 minus 5 equal to 0 is written easily as usual. Then we will subtract the denominators. How we will subtract how we will make the denominators same. So we will multiply the number which is in denominator by the numerator also. So 3y will be multiplied by 3 and in denominator, so 9y minus 8y over 3 equal to 5, because this minus 5 will go on the right hand side, so it will automatically become positive sign. So 9y minus 8y is equal to y. So y over 3 equal to 5 will be written as y equal to 15. This is the value of y, but we have to find the value of the unknown variable, which is the unknown variable x, because as you seen in the question, the unknown variable which they are asking for the value, it is x. So we have find the value of y. Now it's the time for the value of x to find. So we will apply log on both sides. Log on both sides mean log 15 equal to log 3x. Those log 3x which we have assumed in our previous step. So log 15 equal to log 3x. So log 15, then they are being multiplied by each other, so automatically on the left hand side they will come in denominator by being divided. So log 15 over log 3 equal to x. So log 15 over log 3, when you will apply this on calculator, so you will get the answer 2.46. So the unknown variable which we have to find for going through many steps, so the answer finally has reached, which is x equal to 2.46. I hope that you have understand our today's class, and I hope that you have learned. So be updated for more interesting questions and more problems. So don't forget to like and subscribe our channel Umar's Learning Hub, and be updated. Thank you.